Hi everybody, this is a video to show you how to take through Design Space these new SVGs to cut boxes to hold these 8-ounce tins, which a lot of people use for candles, but you can also use them for sweets or wax melts, scoopies or hearts or anything like that. This was a request. I've used the tins the customer uses. These are available on Amazon. They're not expensive. I'll put the link to where to buy them in the description below, and I'll put it on the Etsy listing as well. So in the bundle of SVGs you get 5 separate files. There's a box for 1 tin, one for 2 tins and one for 3 tins. And for these smaller boxes I give you 2 SVGs. You've got a choice of cutting each box either in 2 pieces on A4 on the standard mat, or in a single piece using the longer mat and A3. And this third box, you only get that in 2 pieces because it's just too big. If it was in 1 piece, it would be just too big for our cutting machines. I think if you've got one of the larger Cameo machines, you might be able to do it in 1 piece, but you'll be able to put that together yourself if that's what you want to do. Right, so I'll bring them into Design Space. We'll start with a 2-piece box at the moment. This is the box for 2 tins, and you can cut it on A4 because I've split it into 2 pieces. So as usual, the first thing we need to do is convert the lines that come in as cuts, but we need to be scores. And in my SVGs, they're always in one tidy group, so they're really quick to convert. It's always that first subgroup in your layers panel. So just click on the second line down, that's the name of that group. Go to your operations menu, choose score from the drop down menu. You can see that they've been converted now. I'll just move that there so we can see it a bit better. And while they're still converted, you need to ungroup them. Then select the subgroup below that, which has all the cut pieces in it and any cuts within them, and ungroup that. And then select the whole SVG and ungroup it again. I'm using the ungroup button at the top of the layers panel there. So now everything's a separate piece. You can select individual scores and the cut pieces and attach them so that they all cut and score on the same mat. Quickest way to do that, click on canvas somewhere at the side, drag a box to enclose it and choose attach. Attach on desktop for PC is at the bottom of your layers panel. So if we click make it, you can see that we can choose A4. It works on A4 all letter, so either European or US sizes, and that's dead easy. You get a PDF of instructions to show you how to assemble it, but I think it's fairly straightforward, isn't it? You know that you're going to glue that one to that one. It's just a straightforward folding locking base and then a gable top, so there's actually only that one seam, 2 seams to glue there. Join them and then join the box. Okay, that's the 2-piece box. I'll bring in the a 1-piece version of that box, and then you can see what the difference is. It really is only how you handle the ungrouping and everything, which for this single piece box you don't need to do any. So again, you're just going to click on that second line down in your layers panel to select the scores, go to your operations menu, convert them to score lines, and now because it's just a single piece box with a single set of scores, just select everything and attach it. And so this time we've got to choose A3. We do need the long mat for the single piece boxes. And that's it. Ready to go. Just 1 seam to join for those. Super quick to make. I will show you then the only box for which you only get 1 file because it's just too big. If it was cut in 1 piece, it would be too big for the Cricut machines. You might be able to do it if you've got a machine that cuts wider than 12 inches, but I'm going to assume we don't. So where is it? There it is. It's the box for 3 tins, and the tins are quite big, so the boxes are a decent size, and this one, when it's all together in 1 piece, is just a bit too long, unfortunately. So I'll just zoom out for a little bit. Oh, did I bring it in twice? I must have done. There we are. So again, you're going to click on that first subgroup to convert those lines to scores and ungroup them. Select on the second subgroup to select all the cut pieces and any cuts within them. And all you need to do there is ungroup. Again, select the whole SVG and ungroup it. So now everything's separate and we can attach it. And if we click make it, you can see that we can choose A3 or tabloid. Either will work. Tabloid in the US, or you might cut poster board down if you don't have any of that, or A3 if you're in Europe. You can sadly only get one out of an A3, so, and I don't think, no, it's just too long to even let us turn it. So yeah, you're going to get a little bit of waste for this one. Maybe cut something else on the, don't throw your offcuts away and make something else. Okay, so as I said before, you get a PDF showing you how to assemble these boxes, but they are really quick. If you have any trouble at all when you come to cut it or assemble it, don't hesitate to get in touch. No question is a stupid one. I'm happy to answer. The links to get in touch are in the description below, and if you've just stumbled across this video and you'd like to buy the SVG, the link to do that is also in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye.